we will see this wonderful ground floor plan only. This ground floor plan we have a number of 4 bedroom, 1 guest room and living, maid room, dining. So we will see this one by one. This is courtyard. So this is wonderful ground floor plan. So we will start this from here. You can see here this our small gardening this side and this side, and here we have 2 circular column this side and 2 circular column this side for design purpose. So this is our main entrance, 400 by 350, and we are getting here. This is our majlis area, 480 by 850, all centimeter units. This is our arch, open arch. Then again this 420 by 600 centimeter, this dining area. We are getting this side. So this is our entrance, wide open courtyard. You can see here 560 by 900 centimeter, and this side is our master bedroom, 850 by 480, and this side our dress area, 210, and this side bathroom attached, 250 by 320. So this shower, water closet, wash basin, sink, everything arranged. This is dress area. We see here this is bedroom again, 540 by 400 centimeter, and this is our attached bathroom, 220 by 200 centimeter, and here is our cupboard. You'll see this another bedroom, 540 by 400 centimeter, and this side bathroom. This side bathroom we will use mechanical ventilation because we do not have exhaust here. The same size, 220 by 220. This is a small shower area, and this is water closet, and this is wash basin. We will see here again this another bedroom, 190 by 350, and this side our dress area. This bedroom, 500 by 430. This 200 by 300 centimeter attached bathroom. We will see this side. This is our living area, this wash area and toilet. This 520 by 500 centimeter, and this column for design purpose. This is guest room, 500 by 350, attached bathroom, 240 by 170, and this side you see back side entrance also provided here, and this maid room, 350 by 260, this laundry room and bathroom also. This side big, very big kitchen, 530 by 530. So this is our ground floor plan, wonderful ground floor plan. We can consider this as a farmhouse or wonderful villa. We do not have here staircase, just we have this ground floor only. So we will see this our column layout, everything. You can see here column layout, to this side and to this side, to this side and this side, and all the location and everywhere placed in very much proper way. This is our door, all door placed 2 meter, and single leaf door 100 centi. We will see this window, this side window and this side window, this side window, this completely covering boundary wall, and 4 side all open area. So this wonderful floor plan you can see this way. So the main thing in this floor plan, we have very wide space and very luxury. So this total size you can see here, 2180 by 24. So this plan something like this, and it's open courtyard, have given 150 both side space here also and here also. This side 250 and this side 150, and here you can see this open glass to sky, and this is for design purpose. And this will come 3 step this side and 3 step this side. This is completely glass, this side completely glass, and this side completely glass. So you can see here this wonderful floor plan is available. You can, if you have any doubt, any comments, you must ask in comment section. I will must reply. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.